Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream decoration. First, let's get organized. You'll need a piping bag, along with a few different decorating tips to create various designs. It's crucial that your whipped cream is very cold and has a firm consistency, which helps it hold its shape. Before decorating your final dessert, try practicing your piping techniques on a piece of parchment paper. Achieving the right whipped cream consistency is key for successful decorating. Opt for heavy cream that has at least 36% milk fat. This higher fat content provides better stability for your designs. Always chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before you begin. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks, but be careful not to overwhip, or it could become grainy. Now let's prepare your piping bag. Select your preferred decorating tip and securely place it inside the piping bag. When filling the bag, aim for about 2/3 full. This prevents the cream from overflowing as you pipe. Hold the bag firmly and apply consistent, even pressure to ensure your decorations are smooth and uniform. Practice makes perfect, so take your time. With your perfectly whipped cream and piping skills, you can create many beautiful designs. Try making simple stars, elegant rosettes, or decorative borders using different tips. Remember to practice on parchment paper first to build confidence before moving to your dessert. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tip sizes and styles to achieve diverse and stunning whipped cream decorations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.